These are the best lightening body lotions ever. They will lighten and glow your skin. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, Judith is the name. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always dropping by. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Tap the subscribe button down below to get subscribed to my channel for more skincare tips. And don't forget to like this video if you end up enjoying it. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you 3 most effective lightening creams. Like all the body lotions I'm going to be showing you guys today is going to lighten your skin and give you that beautiful glowy shiny look. And the amazing thing about those body lotions is that they are tested and trusted, and they are not going to bleach or damage your skin. So if you're ready to have that luminous, lighter, glowing skin, then let's dive right in. So the first body lotion or cream that I'll be talking about that will help to lighten and glow your skin is this Xander's V8 lotion. This is one of the best skin lightening lotions and is going to help you achieve that fair skin tone. It actually comes in 5 different varieties, but the particular one that I'm going to be recommending in this video that will help to lighten and glow your skin is this V8 Pure Arbutin Fairness and Vitamin E Skin Lightening Lotion. This is one variant you need to try if you want to achieve that lighter, glowing skin. You actually need to understand that what makes a skin lightening cream effective is the ingredients in that particular body lotion. So let's take a look at the ingredients in this particular V8 lotion. What does this body lotion contain? So according to what's written on the body, it's formulated with different ingredients like arbutin, vitamin E, C, and Egyptian argan. So these are the different ingredients in this particular body lotion. So judging by the ingredient list, this Xander's V8 body lotion does not contain any bleaching agents, so it's not going to bleach or damage your skin. It's actually formulated with arbutin, which is a natural skin lightening ingredient. So in other words, this is a safe and effective skin lightening lotion that will lighten and glow your skin. It's very good for people battling with dark spots, uneven skin tone, hyperpigmentation, and that is because the arbutin in this body lotion is a skin lightening ingredient, and it also helps to target your dark spots, uneven skin tone, and give you a uniform complexion. So this particular body lotion is going to help blend your skin tone. It's suitable for all skin types and complexion, and it doesn't feel drying on the skin like your other lightening creams because it contains vitamin E, which helps to moisturize and nourish your skin. So this is a great lightening lotion that will not only lighten but hydrate and glow your skin. So according to the manufacturers, this can actually serve as a face and body lotion. But honestly speaking, I'm going to say use this only on your body and get a nice face cream to pair with it. It doesn't feel greasy, like it's actually a very breathable lotion that can be applied on both your face and your body. If you really want to use this as your face and body lotion, I would advise you do a patch test first to see how it works for you. So the price, this particular body lotion actually retails at the price of 4,085 naira at the mall. So prices might actually differ depending on your location and where you're getting it from. The next or second skin lightening lotion that I'm going to be talking about is this Triple Clear Extreme Whitening Body Lotion. See, forget about the extreme whitening they wrote on the body. This body lotion does not whiten the skin. It's a very nice lightening body lotion and it actually works like magic. The major ingredients in this body lotion is arbutin and sepi white, which are the most popular skin lightening ingredients. The arbutin in this body lotion actually helps to lighten and inhibit melanin production on the skin. It's also very effective in clearing out dark spots and getting rid of premature aging signs on your skin. The sepi white is actually well known for its skin brightening properties and is also going to help even out your skin tone and in turn give you a clear glowing skin. So what this Triple Clear Extreme Whitening Body Lotion does is to lighten, treat, and even out your skin tone. Within the first 2 weeks of using this body lotion, you're obviously going to notice that your skin is going to be a lot softer, smoother, and beautiful. From the third to fourth week, you're going to notice that lightening effect and vibrance on your skin. This is not a quick action cream, so do not expect an overnight result. It's not going to bleach your skin. This is a body lotion that will help to blend your skin from your head down to your toe and make your skin look spotless and flawless. So if you want to safely lighten and glow your skin without damaging or bleaching your skin, then this is one body lotion you need to try out. It doesn't feel greasy on the skin and is going to give you that beautiful fair glowing skin. So just ensure to use this with a very nice sunscreen and you're definitely going to love the effect on your skin. This body lotion retails at the price of 5,000 naira or more depending on where you're getting it from. Now the third or next body lotion for skin lightening is this Caris Ultra Complexion Fade Milk. See, this have got to be one of my all-time favorite body lotions for skin lightening, and that is because it's formulated with natural ingredients like kojic acid, alpha hydroxy acid, and other moisturizing ingredients. This body lotion will not only help to lighten your skin, it's also going to help fade your dark spots, uneven skin tone, hyperpigmentation, or any form of discolorations on your skin. Like, this is a very nice body lotion. This is one of the most effective skin lightening creams ever. It's an amazing body lotion, and the way it's going to make your skin feel and look like you're definitely going to fall in love using this lotion on your skin. It will make your skin feel a lot softer, supple, smooth, beautiful. Like, this is a body lotion that is going to make your skin look a lot unique. It doesn't in any way make your skin look like you're bleaching or using a lightening lotion. This is a lotion that will make you look naturally fair. So in other words, all you need to do is to be consistent with this Caris body lotion and you're going to have that beautiful glowing complexion. The Caris body lotion actually retails at the price of 3,500 naira depending on where you're getting it from. You can actually get this from Amazon or your nearby cosmetic store. Now, you actually do not need to mix any lightening tube or serums into any of these body lotions. Like, these are body lotions that are 100% effective when it comes to skin lightening. So they are on their own going to lighten your skin, give you that blended uniform glowing skin. And the fragrances of these body lotions are very nice. So like I said, you do not need to mix this body lotion to be able to have that fair glowing skin. Like, all you need to do is to pair those lotions with a very nice and gentle body wash or soap, and also apply your sunscreen when using any of those body lotions. That way you're definitely going to achieve that lighter, glowing, beautiful skin. So how you also apply your body lotions also matter. Endeavor to use your body lotions when your skin is still damp or a bit wet. Like, immediately you step out from the shower, apply your body lotions immediately and then follow up with a good body oil to lock in that whole moisture into your skin. Another thing you need to know or have at the back of your mind when using a skin lightening lotion is that your skin lightening body lotions are going to give you the best results when used at night. So you can use this at night, but if you want to use them both morning and night, I'm going to advise you get a sunscreen. If you do not own or use a sunscreen, please just make sure you're using them only at night, because some of those body lotions can actually make your skin to be sensitive to the sun. So that is it on the 3 most effective skin lightening body creams. I hope this video was helpful. If you enjoyed watching this video, please do not forget to like, subscribe to my channel for more skincare tips, and see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.